Welcome to this Windows Server Home Lab series. My name is Abdurrahman Jirda, and I am a cybersecurity SOC analyst and a network engineer. In this series of the Windows Server, I will be installing a Windows Server image and a VM workstation. This will gonna be our Windows Server Home Lab series, updating the server time zone and renaming the server, configuring a NAT network, assigning an IP address manually, configuring a DNS lookup zone, installing Active Directory domain service, remoting server to domain controller DC, and then creating an AD domain. The next part we're gonna be creating organizational units, creating user accounts and groups, and then we're gonna be join the Windows PC to the domain controller so we can log to our users and accounts that we have created. We're gonna create a group policy management, or a GPO, which stands for group policy objective, and a share folders, and an Active Directory, and a security policy, which is very important. So I have already installed the Windows Server image. This is the official website. I'm gonna be leaving the link down below. And this is the VMware station where you can download the Windows VMware station. In this part, we will gonna create a Windows Server, a new virtual machine. So it will gonna be our Windows image, which is Windows Server 2022. And the guest operator system gonna be the Microsoft Windows. Our path will gonna be, then click next. 60 gigabytes way more enough for this lab. Now let us edit our machine and make some changes. 2 gigabyte is way too slow. Make it 4. It's recommended and the best practice. The processor 2 is it's okay. You have to assign the image to the Windows Server. This is our image. And for now, later on, we will gonna change it. We need to make it a bridge for the internet access. Then click OK. Let's power on the virtual machine. The installment may take some 10 to 15 minutes. So I will gonna be posting the video multiple times. So this is the installment step by step. Click next. Install now. Here is the type of the operator system that we want. We want the Windows Server 2022 standard, which has a desktop experience. So click next. Accept and agree the Microsoft license. Here is the custom memory. Click next. So this is the installment, and the installment will may take 5 to 10 minutes. This is our setup. We have to assign a password for the account. Then click This is our Windows Server. We will be installing the VMware tools. This is the CD of the VM. So click next. Typical. So this is how to install the Windows Server 2022 on a VMware station. On our next lab, we will gonna be working on our Windows Server Manager.